Hey, Nonna Pia, what are you making now?
I'm making a marinara sauce. I want to show you what I put it in.
Okay, Nonna Pia's marinara sauce.
This is the garlic.
Okay, garlic goes first. 2 cloves?
Yeah.
All right.
Then a little piece of onions.
Onions.
A little piece of celery.
Celery. You put the leaves too, Nonna?
Yeah, the leaves are the best.
Oh, yeah?
They're more flavor.
Gives all the flavor. Okay.
See, I put this in.
Yeah.
Now I put the oil and I fry.
Okay.
Then I put this big jar.
Where'd you get that? A ShopRite? Where'd you get that?
Nonna Pia's house.
Nonna Pia's store.
Next month, July, August, we'll make more.
All right. Can never have enough sauce for the year. There goes the oil. And we put it on the stove. There it goes. All right, now we gotta wait. How long, Nonna?
You gotta fry a little bit.
How long?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Quick. All right. Starting to fry. Nonna Pia's sauce. All right, looks good. Is it ready, Nonna?
Yes.
Here comes the sauce. Let me smell. Wow, look at that. It really smells great. Here it goes.
Hey. See, I gotta do one shot.
One big shot. Now, Nonna, how long does this cook? What do you got there?
5 minutes.
What are you putting?
Basilic.
You gotta put basil.
Fresh basilic. I have them on a pot aside.
Nice. There it goes.
I want to put let me rinse a little bit this and I put it in
you
there.
can't waste it. It's good stuff. You gotta put some water.
A spoon. Romano cheese grater.
Okay. Pecorino Romano goes in the sauce, and that's it. Now we let it cook. How long, Nonna?
5 minutes, 10 minutes, it'll boil and that's it.
That's
because
easy.
the sauce is already cooked outside, remember?
Yeah, we did it outside, I remember. Nonna, it's boiling now?
It's a boil.
It smells good. You can almost smell it through the camera. The people are going to want to eat here now. So how long it's got to boil, Nonna?
Another couple minutes and that's it.
Couple minutes, all done.
That's done.
The sauce is finished?
That sauce is beautiful.
Oh, yeah, that looks
You're
done.
going to taste too.
Time to taste it?
It's hot.
I know, I could see that. You blow it on it for me?
I don't want to burn you.
All right, I'll take it by myself. Look at that. All right, fresh Nonna Pia sauce. Let's try it.
That's it. It's one thing is done.
All right, thank you. The sauce is beautiful. Let me see it again. I got to look at it. All right. Now we're going to cook. We could cook whatever we want with it. Pasta, anything.
Tu going to do
No, not right now. It looks good.